Welcome back our customers. Today I want to show you something about the suppliers. These are the people that sell to us the goods that we normally sell back to our customers. So again, the way you deal with customers is almost the same way we deal with suppliers. So there are two alternatives to creating supplier accounts. You can either create them directly one by one. So you just go to the dashboard, then suppliers, then you just click on new supplier. Then again also you edit so that you can see the full page. So again here you create the name of the supplier. Maybe you have the name of the company that the supplier. So an example I might have Keroche Industries as my supplier. Industries Limited. So that's the name of the company. Again also you can choose if the customer is affected by the withholding tax or not. This one I'll be sharing details when I'll be talking about the taxes. Then you can we can give the name of the specific uh, representative from the company that normally I deal with. Then once I deal with that, that is autofilled. So once that the details are captured, there are so many other things that you can capture. You can capture the picture, you can capture the location, the area, so many other details. You can also capture the balance. If you owe them some money, maybe I owe them some 155,000. Then the terms and any other document that I may want to attach, I can attach. Once that is done, I just click on save. Once that is saved, when I come back now to my suppliers, now I can see I have this supplier and this is the match that I owe that supplier. The other alternative, you can use import from Excel. So you just have an Excel sheet here which I have prepared about the suppliers list. So I have this Excel sheet. So I want to import this automatically. This in case you had another system and you want to switch to a system and you don't need to create, maybe you have so many suppliers and you don't want to create them one by one, then you can extract this, put it in Excel, name them correctly, the columns correctly, and you can have as many details as you want, the locations and all those other details. You can have as many columns as you wish. So once that is done and saved somewhere, the best way to save it as a CSV so that it will be easier to import, especially if it's a large file. So once that is done, I can go back now to my system. Then I come to Excel, then import. Then I'll be prompted to choose where the file is. So I just click there. Then I'll just choose the suppliers. And just open. When that is done, I just click on save. So that has been done successfully. So when I come back now to suppliers, you can see now I have all my suppliers here. So that's how you export from Excel to the POS.